What do you mean you don't have grated cheese?
It's just finished.
Just when?
So now you have to go out again.
Don't even tell me that, wise guys.
You have to go out again.
Guys, don't listen to her. She didn't know I had to cook water until I met her.
Are you serious? Good morning, guys. Still don't have my how do you call that? I still don't have my battery and my charger. Tammy will bring it here today. I'll use the camera right now because that seems like the battery is low bat and then back to 2, because that's how it is. If you don't use it, it seems like it's come back to 2 and now it's low bat again. It's telling me low bat, bat, loo. Anyway, guys, good morning. I'm having my biko. This is the biko that I made yesterday. I will see you later. I'm waiting for Tommy's and I still have to go to grocery, guys, because I need to get something for our dinner today. Yeah, so I'm gonna prepare for dinner because my husband is coming. So anyway, guys, good night or good morning. I will see you later, guys. Bye. Good morning. Bye. I am back. Tommy's still not here yet. I'm still using the camera. Anyway, punta lang ako sa grocery, guys. May pagpibili si Tammy. Magluluto daw siya later ng chicken. Not chicken farm, chicken. Yung chicken, guys, with lemon, yung chicken. Hey, what time is it?
And my hair looks like hell.
You need a haircut. Okay, it's time to cook, hon. The heck, it's supposedly be done already if I'm the one doing it. What are you doing?
The recipes. There. So, man.
Garlic. You want me to cut garlic. Late na, guys. Mga 8:30 na, pero we don't even cook dinner yet. It's supposedly be done already. Because he want to cook it. It's his recipe. So, bumalik si Tammy sa tindahan. Kasi nakalimutan niya ng chicken broth. Now he just started cooking and it's already 10 o'clock at night.
Huh? Okay, I need the grated cheese.
What? You don't have grated cheese, so now what?
What do you mean you don't have grated cheese?
It's just finished.
Just when?
So now you have to go out again.
Don't even tell me that, wise guys.
You have to go out again. It's right there. In front of your nose. He just came home, guys, and then what if he came home and then we don't have a freaking grated cheese again? He have to run again. You know, this is not.
You have to run the time.
Start cooking. What do you want me to do, hon? Because we need to hurry up this. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to do the parsley? The parsley is clean. You said you get chicken broth. What is this, powder?
No, it's got to be very condensed.
That's a different one.
Yeah, that liquid makes.
Why you move everything?
Because I don't want to make a mess.
Tommy's recipe is fucked up. He doesn't really know what he's doing, guys.
Oh, my recipe I don't have.
Han, what are you trying to do now?
Yeah, my recipe.
Don't move it yet. You have to let it brown.
Yes, I'm not burned. Brown?
You have to bake it after this?
Yeah.
Because that one is not cooked.
I know that. It's only browning. No, you wanted the brown slow. You want it to be mostly cooked. Have a scotch on. Have a scotch.
Yeah, he doesn't even know what he's doing, guys.
Have a scotch.
I'm really good with this, but he's just confused. Oh, breadcrumbs, son. It's too late already and everything is coated. No. I'm hungry already. 7 o'clock.
Well, you should have had lunch.
I had lunch. You're the one who doesn't eat lunch.
That's right, on breakfast. So, why are you complaining?
Yeah. Because it's time to eat dinner, supposedly.
Personally, I think you should have done first, but they say next, and I would have done it first.
Okay, guys. It's a mess. There's parsley here.
It is brown like yellow one. Look close.
It's not. That's why I like to cook just me.
Guys, don't listen to her. She didn't know how to cook water until I met her.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
You don't even know how to cook rice, usually.
Right, I don't cook rice. I cook Spanish rice.
Yeah, but you have to kudigo all the time. You have to look at every little step.
I want to make sure I put the stuff in the right order.
Not yet. What, do you have a plate for that? Miss Bibe.
What a difference a day makes.
What song is that, Han? Huh? Old song?
Looks like the songs that you think were only for commercials. That were really songs.
Really? Oh, this is burning.
That's the attack.
Here? Where are you gonna put that? How are you gonna do this?
This phenomenon called Sandra food.
Okay, so...
Sandra,
Here, that's what I opened.
Put it over here.
and she will never be pleased. The frustrating part of this history, everybody asks the question, how did 9/11 translate
The trick.
a seismic shift, a thing
Yeah, then it's not.
on March 1st, 2003,
Yeah.
the U.S. was sworn victory.
Kill everybody.
If Frank and I can raise attention, I think it's good to get out of that.
The whole world do that. Sorry,
I was young, man.
the whole world do.
I'm not young, but I'm not young, but I was like, you know, I was really like.
And sat there watching.
Okay, I guess we're good.
So I just can't go back away.
Are you farting? Are you farting? Are you farting? What?
Is the coal in the plate? During the plane,
I told you that. You said I had enough. I just told you that.
why you use that thing? And you, I do it over there, you use it in your thing.
What? Go on. What is it?
We're just watching, guys, the process of 9/11. How Osama bin Laden processed all this. Fireplace. Okay guys, I'm going upstairs. Night night, Rox. Night night. I've just been watching this, the process of 9/11, how Osama bin Laden planned this for decade. There's a lot of footage that from raw footage, very raw, from people that people was there when that happened. When my husband went to work and then he turned around because they don't let anybody come in the city because he was working in the city at the time. He was. And yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you all guys so much for watching. We had dinner, the chicken that Tommy made with pasta. It's really good. It turned out really good. And anyway guys, good night. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night guys. Good night. Bye bye. The burn, I like it. I like the burn part.